Hey guys and gals, I got this from my Walmart. It's called Sports Kings. It was, I believe, 19 bucks. Look for special memorabilia, autograph, and swatch insert. It was the only one they had. So let's get into this bad boy. 2018, see it right there. Got the Sports Kings logo all over it. Hopefully we'll get at least a patch card or something. I just kind of interested. Oh, cool, it's in card form. Not actually all open, and where you get, if you get a hit. There are UPC codes, so they could be sold. None of the packs look all that thick. This one actually looks the thinnest. Open it first, just because it was first. But again, it's a patch. Legends memorabilia, Allen Iverson. Not numbered. There you go. You can see all of it. Plain white napkin. But it's fairly big. Okay, hopefully it's not downhill from there. Howie Long, Enos Slaughter, Joe Louis Small, Van Ham, Mickey Ward. There we go. Sweetness, Walter Payton. Couples, Nate Thurman, Fergie Jenkins. And I'm assuming that's a bobsledder. Olajuwon, Tiki Barber, Jim Thorpe Mini, Bowler, Walter Ray Williams Jr., and Lori Harrigan. Jim Kelly, Jim Thorpe Large. Like all I did was crop that card. Brian Shaw, Crone, Nate Thurman. Here, Jim Palmer. Here, another Fergie. Phil Mar. 2 to go. Steve Largent, Shawn Michaels, Jim Palmer, Gordon. Largent, I believe when he retired, he was an all-time leader in receptions, and then Rice took it away from him. Alright, last pack. Fred Couples, Tiki Barber, Davis, Bodacious, Bronking Bull, and Davis. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.